Hi guys, my name is Victor, tutor and instructor from Jovic After Solutions. Um, Last class we look at how to extract data using selection menu from your attribute table. But there's still another way of getting that one done is without stressing yourself as well. That's another trick. You go to selections like coding, so you select by attributes, then you know you go to whatever you want to select, whatever layer you want to extract data data. So I click on this. So what method do I want to use to extract my data is by name. You can see it has appeared here. So I click where name equals to what, select from unrestricted bundle where name 2 equals to what. So if I don't get all those the case being used there, like uppercase or lowercase for that name, and then it's non-label here, so I can go to get unique values, or I type the name if I'm very sure of the case he used there. You can see if I click on this, you can see it shows me this. So you can see I can pick Bolon Duro. I double click on that. So once I double click on that, it will pop up this to display it here, or I type it this way, the same way it is here. So then I'll verify it first. Then once it's successfully verified, that means it's okay. Then I can apply and click OK. You can see I have it here selected as well, the same way I did it the other class when we went to attribute table. It's the same way that is activating it here. You can see you can click on others as well. You can see so that's what happened. You can do it that way as well to get it done. So the same way you used to extract it that last class is the same way you used as well. You can see you go to data, you export data, then you click OK as well. Then from there, you select where you want it to be. It's here already, it's in Ocean Map. Yes, so I want to change the name. I want to change to Bolonduro Boluwaduro 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 Duro. So I have it here. See, I click OK. Then if I want to add it, I click OK. Boluwaduro, I have it here. So that's Boluwaduro edge. I have this one too. You can see I can select as much as possible I want to with the same method, or it depends on the number of data I want to extract in a particular database. Like we have the database here already, so depends. If it's not much, I can just select it here, or if I like, I can use selection method from that coding method. So now next class we'll be looking at how to clip data. Thank you very much. I'll see you next class. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to like our YouTube channel, Jovic Software Solutions. Then subscribe to it. I would like to hear from you, your feedback and your comments. Thank you very much. I'll see you next class. Bye for now.